Hello friends. So today I am presenting before you a totally new concept of EduPlane Nuggets, wherein I will be giving you short-term series for different topics with certain video lectures, either 5 or 10, whatsoever is needed, to make you understand about the concept in depth. So starting with the first one, it is what is artificial intelligence and its role in HR. So this being a hot topic, we'll study about this. I am your instructor, Soumya Tiwari. Now when we say about AI, there is so much on the internet these days that it is difficult to understand what is worth and what is not. So I have designed this course in 5 video lectures. You can follow my lectures on YouTube as I will be sharing the link in the description box. You can follow them to enhance your knowledge. We have 5 video lectures, out of which this is first one of it, and we will discuss about the introduction part and history of AI. So talking about the term what is AI? Scientific definition says AI in general is a system's ability. Over here, system over here is being used for the word as for computers or for machines to correctly interpret external data. Now for an example, we can say when a camera provides data to know the difference between a person and a shadow. To learn from such data, example, the AI has to learn that it is fine to run over shadows but not over people. To use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. Example, steering a vehicle. Why do we need AI? All of a sudden, why is there a certain requirement for AI when humans are already performing their task wonderfully? Well, AI is a technology that helps to solve problems that computers can't handle without it. It can handle tons of data and needs of tons of data to be trained. It is not about replacing humans, but especially useful to handle masses of data. We being human beings are having certain limitations, so to help us, this particular technology has been developed and proposed so that we can make most of it for our own comforts. Talking about the history of AI, where it has all been started. Basic concept was invented in 1950s, but somehow it was almost forgotten during the 1970s and 80s. There was just not the right use cases. For example, I would say computers were too slow and there was not enough data to train AI, because for AI the basic concept is you should have tons of data which is already happened and out of which you can train your AI to perform the task now. So the present AI hype is caused by digitization, masses of data. When one needs to evaluate masses of data, AI is a successful technology. Now, the main part, transformation to better AI. The things which were been proposed in 1950s have changed a lot because our surroundings and developments. So these days, for better AI, we have 3 sort of AI: digital companion, biased AI, and explainable AI. We also call it as self-explainable AI. Telling about digital companion. Digital companions are computer systems that are designed to fulfill the needs of humans to help them to do their work efficiently, comfortably, and with minimal errors. Biased AI. Humans are prejudiced against a lot of things and very often not even aware of it. AI is just as biased as discriminating as humans if it was trained by data that implicitly contains such biases. Nobody needs badly educated AI becoming an artificial racist. Therefore, AI needs unbiased data for training. So we should be very much concerned about the fact that whatever data we have been delivering to AI for getting trained, that should be unbiased. Explainable AI. Sometimes you need to know why normally AI is like a black box. It gives results but does not tell you why. For important decisions, this is just not acceptable. So explainable AI tells you why it made a decision, because we as human beings have the curiosity to know everything with a reason. So this self-explainable AI gives us that reason to that why. So friends, for next video, we will be discussing on the technical details of AI, about the knowledge graphs, neural network, reinforcement learning, generative design, and interactive explainables. Thank you all for watching this video. Please visit us on www.eduplane.com and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. We will be glad to have your feedbacks and do share your experiences. Thank you.